with the iPad, the new iPad Pro. Now, this is actually my dad's iPad. He was generous enough to let me film him let me film. Anyway, let's go to that video. Let's go to the video. So, as you can see, I finally got the box open. And here is the iPad. Here's the charger, which is a USB-C charger, and then the wall adapter. Now, we're here. Let me just hand the camera over. And here's the last part of the unboxing. Just tearing off the fabric off the iPad Pro. And as you can see, I can see that Apple has done a great job of making this iPad. Apparently, from the looks of it, they just took the iPhone 11 and just made it bigger. That's kind of what it looks like. They took out the cellular data because that one doesn't have cellular data, I think. And then they gave it all the iPad characteristics that iPads have nowadays. So anyway, if you like this video, I know it's a short video, please rate and subscribe. Please stay healthy and have a great day. Guys, before I wrap this video up, I just wanted to say, after a while, my dad actually got the new case for the iPad Pro, which is the floating case, and now I'm gonna show you the unboxing. Yeah, but anyway, you have the case, obviously, and then you have this thing inside of the case, and then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, let's review the case. Dun, da, 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 da. I'm sorry, I sometimes get caught up in the moment. But as you can see, it kind of looks more like an iMac keyboard. The keyboard of an iMac. If you've seen it, I mean, there's pictures all over it on Google. But anyway, let's just put the iPad on. Okay, so now we got the iPad put on, and look at that magic, true magic. Like, I never thought, I never thought this would be coming to society, like for the next 3 years. Yeah, it's 3 years early in my perspective. Well, anyway, guys, and have a great day.